Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make banana cake tart. And for the ingredient, we're gonna need all-purpose flour, we're gonna need sugar, butter, like a lot of butter. And to make the banana, we need ripe bananas, brown sugar, white sugar, and then the milk powder and the egg is for the actual tart. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go make the bananas. We have to cook the bananas so it can cool down before we assemble it to the tart. So let's go to the stove. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna move to the next step. And I got my bananas peeled and sliced roughly. Add the sugar, both of the sugar, and then turn the heat over medium high and let the bananas cook. It's been 15 minutes and the bananas are cooking. And use a wooden spoon, keep smashing them as they are cooking. This has to be dry a little bit more, and also we don't want to see bananas chunk in it. I'm trying to mash them all, so this will take another 2 to 3 minutes. And the bananas has dry, and then turn the heat off, remove from heat, let it cool. Now it's time to make the banana tart batter. Add the milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, you can just leave it. You don't have to add it. Okay, now mix. I'm gonna just use my hand. Add the sugar. Mix. And add the butter. I'm gonna add a little bit per little bit. Now I'm gonna use both of my hand. I already washed my hand. And now this butter is softened at room temperature, as you can see. And now we have to mix this butter with the flour first. And this is how the mixture is looking. It's like a doughy. When you press it, you can actually create like a little balls. Now add the egg. Okay, now we are all ready to set the tart. It is going to be so good. I can't wait. Now you can see how our mixture is looking, and I have this tart tray here greased with butter very nicely, and I'm just gonna put some butter just like that, nothing serious. We're just gonna press it down soon. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit for the lattice. Okay, and now we're gonna try to press down. We're gonna put like a little more than half of the mixture. And now I'm gonna put my bananas, my cooked bananas, and spread it evenly. This is a pie dish plate, but you can use an actual tart dish pan so you can have the shape of the tart around the edges. And now this is ready to put the lattice on. Now let's put some dry flour on my working surface, and now we are going to roll down this dough into a thin layer and gently just roll the dough, and be careful as you're rolling it. It will probably like stick, so keep adding some dry flour. And now I'm gonna cut them into strips. And when you lift it up, just be careful because this is so soft. And then just keep going. You can obviously do different lattice. You can also lift this, but this is a very soft dough and it will break if you move this to make like a basket lattice, like a basket shape design, or you know. Okay, now I'm just gonna keep going. And now I have an egg wash here. It's just an egg beat with a little bit of water or milk. Just brush everywhere on top of your tart. I got some brown sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit, just lightly, not too much. And now this is going to go in my preheated oven, 400 Fahrenheit. Let this bake, and then I'll show you how it looks like. And the tart took 45 minutes to bake in the oven, 400 Fahrenheit. And I let my edges to go like brown because this tart is it's like there's a thicker base on it, and this has to cook. If you let it just like a light brown color, and then inside will be raw, the bottom, the base will be raw. So I will suggest to leave it as a nice golden brown color, and then you remove it. It may take you between 45 minutes to 50 minutes probably just to have these golden edges, and then let it cool completely before you go ahead and slice and serve. Just gonna let it cool completely. I'm not gonna even cut it now. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time, but before that, don't forget to check my channel La Cuisine Laila for more recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.